Here in the Miami Valley, some health leaders voiced concerns over Biden's Omicron plan, stating that it does not entirely address the needs of local hospitals. 2 News reporter Caroline Morse is live in the studio with more team coverage on how the president's plan looks here in the Miami Valley. Caroline.
Local health leaders I spoke with say Biden's Omicron plan does address the general needs of the health community, but here in the Miami Valley, they argue the focal point should be in our own ICUs and not vaccination clinics.
I appreciate everything that the administration's doing, and I'm not going to say no to whatever they're going to give us. But that's not. They're not giving what's the critical need.
Local health leaders argue the critical need to fight the surge of COVID-19 cases isn't administering booster doses or vaccinations.
The hospital capacity. That is the story about COVID right now. Vaccinations could prevent us, but we needed to be doing that over the past year that we've been giving vaccinations.
Acquiring hospital staff and equipment are Clark County's top needs to combat the surge in cases. Patterson says Clark County is the 7th highest case rate in the state and 1st in the Miami Valley. Before booster doses can be administered, public health believes there's still a vast majority of Ohioans that may never start the vaccination process.
Even with all the talk of the boosters, we don't want to lose sight of the importance of that first dose. There's still many people out there who have not received a first dose of vaccine, and we're reaching out to those people to encourage them to do it now rather than later.
According to FEMA, each state will determine what their critical needs are and where that federal assistance should be applied before sending help. Neither Clark County or Public Health of Dayton and Montgomery County expect FEMA to deploy here. Much larger cities will be in higher demand. However, Patterson believes we are at a breaking point.
We're starting to count the ventilators and make sure we have enough. We're getting close to a critical place right now. And I sure hope that the holidays don't make this worse.
And at this time, the coronavirus dashboard shows over 54% of all Ohioans have completed the vaccination process. Live in studio, Caroline Morse, 2 News working for you.